me see if it goes in a gear. Oh, dude. Oh, things are messed up, bro. What's going on, guys? DJ Whip here back in with another video. Now, I know I've taken some breaks. I know, don't kill me, guys. Some of you guys have actually been really begging for me to come back. So here I am, I'm back. But yeah, I just decided I needed to like just chill out on the YouTube. I had a lot of stuff in life going on, drama, other things. I had other interests I was taking in, like I was into music. I've been making a lot of music lately and stuff. That's been interesting, and just I'm doing a lot, guys. I'm figuring out life. I'm a young man, you know. So one of the reasons why I've actually been putting this off is because the car's actually been giving me issues with the tranny. I believe it's actually something to do with the solenoids in the transmission. So I went ahead and ordered new parts, and I'm going to replace that, see if that fixes it. Hopefully the tranny isn't shot. This is actually a really good transmission. The fact that it's held up this long is pretty impressive, so I really can't complain if it is bad. But I'm going to go ahead and try to fix all the electronic issues, because it does seem like it's electronic. I don't think the actual transmission itself, like the gears, is bad. I think it's just electronic, because it tends to just die and then go into neutral randomly and stuff, and the fluid doesn't look burnt or anything. So I think we can save the transmission. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. Now again, I'm not tripping about it anyway, because I am gonna manual swap it. So if this doesn't work, I guess we'll just go ahead and try to find a donor car, and then we'll manual swap everything over, and then maybe get our built engine, who knows. But yeah, I actually have a new turbo to slap on. I have a bunch of stuff that's ready to go. Ooh, the sun's coming out right now. It's killing me. I have a bunch of stuff ready to go. I'm in the middle of wrapping it. As you see, I haven't finished yet. I need a lot of help. Wrapping a car by yourself is like almost impossible, so I'm just waiting on help. I should be getting help soon. But yeah, we should be getting this back on the street pretty soon here. But yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and drain the transmission oil, take that pan off, and then let's see what we're working with. All right, so tranny fluid is draining right now, and it actually did look a little brown. Now, it wasn't terrible. It still has like a red tint to it, but it probably did need to be changed. Now, unfortunately, when it gets to that point, it's actually not worth it to change the tranny fluid, because what will actually happen is that those bits of metal that's in the fluid, that's what's making the fluid dirty, is actually helping the transmission grip. So if you flush it out, replace it with fresh new fluid, it's going to lose that grip and all the wear and tear that actually was helping it have traction on the gears is gonna be gone, and then it's just gonna start slipping. So if your fluid is really dirty, it's actually best to not change it. If you change it, your transmission is probably just gonna start slipping. So if you're gonna change your fluid, change it when it's clean. You don't want to wait till it's dirty with transmission fluid, because then it's just not gonna end well for you. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna reuse this fluid. So once that's done draining, we're gonna go ahead and pull the pan off, and we're gonna pull out the TCU and solenoids and everything, and we're gonna slap the new one in, refill it up with fluid, and then see if everything's good. Okay, so here's the new one I have over here. This is brand new, just got this off eBay. This is the old one. I already took it apart. Now I wanted to inspect this. This was like really old and brittle anyway, so this is probably gonna fail soon. But I was looking for any breaks and any like the circuitry. I didn't see any, and I still don't see any. So I think everything's good there on that aspect at least. I thought that right there was a break, but that's actually supposed to be there. I looked it up. But yeah, so this one I guess is just gonna get thrown away or kept for parts, I don't know. But yeah, this is the old one. We're gonna go ahead and replace it. I really hope this is like compatible. I hope this not like my computer is just gonna freak out because it's a whole new TCM and everything, but it should be plug and play. Everything looks exactly the same, so shouldn't be any issues there. All right, so got the transmission pan back on. Went ahead and put the intercooler piping back on. I'm just gonna let the gasket maker dry for a couple hours at least, and then I'm gonna fill it up, and then we're gonna see if it starts. I'm afraid nothing's gonna happen, and then it's just gonna be dead. But if that happens, it's all good. I'll either just replace the whole transmission, or just go ahead and go with the manual swap, which I will need a donor car to do. But either way, we're gonna be all right. I'm just hoping this is gonna fix it temporarily so I can get back on the road, and then yeah. Okay, so I just filled up the transmission with fluid. Everything seems good. I hope I didn't forget anything. I guess I'm gonna find out when I try to start it real quick. But everything's hooked back up. The intercooler piping, went ahead and torqued down all the bolts, let the gasket maker dry for a little bit. We should be good to go. Let's hope everything works. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but let's just go ahead and try it. Oh man, I have no room to get in here. Thank God I'm skinny. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's go. And we have an immediate transmission light. Weird. I'm not even getting the park signal. The park, what's it called? Usually it'll say I'm in park, but it doesn't even say that. Let me see if it goes into gear. Oh, dude. Oh, things are messed up, bro. This is like hard to shift. It definitely went into gear. Oh, fuck me, bro. Oh, I can't put it into drive. Well, that's not good. I did something wrong. I don't know what I did wrong. I took my time and made sure everything was installed correctly, but I guess I messed something up. Unless that part just doesn't work with this car. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna swap the tranny. I don't even want to try to take everything apart again and deal with that. I don't know. Plus my old one is kind of broken now too, because I took it all apart and it was so brittle and bad. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Now, unfortunately, my car is not drivable. That's kind of sucks, but whatever. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna get you guys some content. Don't worry. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys again so much for watching. Not every video ends on a good note, but I guess things will change in the future. Don't worry. Anyways, thank you guys again so much for watching. See you guys next time.